How to fix Instagram watch history option not showing. So if you want to fix Instagram watch history option not showing, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Instagram application or just simply tap and hold on to your Instagram and then go with the app info. From the app info, you need to just simply go with storage and cache and then go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your Play Store. From the Play Store, you need to go with search, and here you need to search for Instagram. After searching, if you have any updates on your Instagram, just simply go and update it, and after updating, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your Instagram and then go with the profile, which will be in the bottom right, and go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And here you need to scroll down and then you'll find help option. Tap on help under more info and support. Now here you need to tap on report a problem and you need to go with report problem without shaking. And here you need to just tap on include and continue and briefly explain what happened and what's not working. So you need to write that I want to fix my watch history because the option is not showing on my Instagram. Please help me with this. And then go with send. And after reporting your problem within a few seconds or a few minutes, or it might also take 24 hours to fix your problem. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.